Come on, Junior. You're being videotaped.
Get that videotape.
Making you YouTube famous.
YouTube famous for having shortcomings?
Yeah.
Yeah. About a quarter-inch too short.
Why would you do that?
Guess I didn't measure the half-inch thick grease far enough.
Fair enough.
Yeah. You can get some more pipe. You should have a free pipe. That shouldn't be about that way.
You keep using my pipe, I'm gonna run out.
Oh, well, I've reused most of your pipe.
Look, they're closed for maintenance.
Huh?
They're closed for maintenance.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told you to go around and shoot your cones.
I'm about to put them right in front of the damn screen at this rate.
Might just put your fucking van up there.
I could.
There should be some right there.
There we are.
Look at that.
Yep.
I just saved your life. Yeah, throw your van in front of that.
Alright.
People trying to come to the drive-thru, trying to get food, and you can't get no food because we're closed. I'll stick your nose about right there.
They're all set these behind here if you want.
I'd put one in front
Yeah.
on the right front passenger side. Oh, you got your beautiful light on. How cute.
I know, right? Don't worry.
I bet you feel special.
Listen, you give me any room to turn a light on, I'm turning the damn light on.
Now your battery dies, you're fucked. You ain't got a charger.
Yeah, dude. It's still got 2 bars on it.
It won't hold up.
Was it?
It won't hold up.
No, the jump box still.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I got my charger in my van. I'll sell it to you.
How about
$50.
50 bucks? I'll just go buy a new jump box. I have 2 of them on standby then.
Yeah,
No,
Mom.
I ran that for 2 hours one time because the job I went to didn't have any fucking parking. I had to park outside.
That's how that job is tomorrow night in downtown. You got to pull up in front of the valet parking where the hotel's at.
See, this one's one of those bigger nursing homes with the
You got your pipe?
culvert. Yeah, I'll look at me.
Way to
Like a
go.
professional.
Hemorrhoid. Kids. Can't take them nowhere.
They make creams for hemorrhoids.
I know. I'll have some. Preparation H.
If I get slapped to some preparation H.
In the long run,
I guess.
you can tell God what happened.
God, what happened? I died trying to save a Big Mac. Oh, you're a fucking idiot.
Your drill won't fit in there?
No. It's all blocked up as soon as you get past this little piece right here.
How much grease is in there? Shit ton?
Probably about 30, 40 pounds.
Oh, okay. Good enough.
So what they were telling me was they don't have Centos is the cleaning people, and they don't have a self-cleaner yet. But they have paperwork on it, so no one's been coming to clean this.
Just tell them not, you should tell them not to get it.
Was it?
You should have told them not to go get it.
Oh, I did. I told them to try to call us and see if they can get it to clean it. Get us to clean it.
Did you pull your cable through?
It's right here.
Okay.
I just got a little bit though.
Well, we'll attach it to the box, and you can pull it from there.
All right.
All done.